In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can kiss the up and down income roller coaster you're probably used to goodbye for good by using this simple strategy to smash through one of the biggest roadblocks to building a profitable online business. See, the number one complaint that we've heard from frustrated entrepreneurs this year: unpredictable income. Simply put, they can't really plan for growth when they can't plan for how much income they'll make. Let's face it, most businesses that you and I run into have a pretty good idea of what next month's income will look like. From restaurants to car dealers to dentists to landscapers, they all can plan. But in digital marketing, this isn't so easy, right? Unless you can generate reoccurring income, money that comes in every month like clockwork. When you have that, the pressure is off. Without this reoccurring income, though, it becomes a constant fear of just being able to pay the bills. But wouldn't it be awesome if all of those fears, those headaches, were completely removed? If you knew on the first of every month you would get paid, no matter what else was happening in your life or in the world. Aloha, Jason Moran here from Offline Sharks and Remote Millionaires, and for the first time, we're opening up our private files and sharing with you how we secure reoccurring income every month automatically, as easy as pie. And this training isn't some just run-of-the-mill, worn-out guide or something that you've seen before. We've pulled this strategy directly from our seven-figure agency here in Hawaii. See, we make a lot of money each month from reoccurring services, things like SEO, paid ads, social media, and so on. And while the money is great, the hassles that we get for providing these services are not. Fulfillment is complicated and time-consuming. And if we don't deliver the results, the client blames us. So we set out to figure out an easier way, a more effective way to generate reoccurring income. And after months of testing, we had a eureka moment. We realized we could use a common service in an uncommon way, and we called it the reoccurring profit system. What makes it so special? Well, first, you only have to do the work once, but you get paid month after month after month. Second, this is an essential service to a local business. So even when times are tight, they won't think of canceling. In fact, we have almost no one cancel. Some clients we've had for almost 5 years. And finally, it's not dependent on results. So no matter how the client's business is doing, they'll be happy to pay month after month after month. The reoccurring profit system is completely hassle-free. And until now, the only people we've shared this with has been our premier high-end coaching group. This is real-world, actionable stuff. You'll be excited from the very first video. One member who got early access flat out said they could see immediately how they had lost thousands of dollars by not knowing how to do reoccurring income our way. And when you join the reoccurring profit system today, we'll reveal our entire easy reoccurring revenue strategy we're using right now to bring in monthly income like clockwork to your agency. There's nothing complicated like SEO, social media, reputation management, or paid ads. The reoccurring profit system puts predictable monthly income within reach of anyone. Set it up once and you keep getting paid month after month, and you don't really need to do anything else. And to make it even easier for you, we're including our special software and templates. This makes fulfillment a breeze and does all the heavy lifting for you. This software alone normally sells for $297 a month. However, when you jump in today, you'll get the software, you'll get the templates, the training, everything you need to execute our strategy right away for one incredibly low special launch price. But be warned though, the next couple of days is your only chance to get involved, okay? And the price goes up each day, so today is the lowest price to jump in. Once this launch ends, we will be setting the price back to $297. We're also going to remove all of the risk for you with our take it to the bank money back guarantee. Get in right now. You'll have a full 30 days to see if what we're saying is right for you. If it's not, no worries, as they say in Hawaii. You can go to offlinesharks.com/support for any reason and get a full refund. Simply say, I'd like my money back, and our world-class support team will get your money back usually in as little as 48 hours. With the recurring profit system, you're getting our special software, templates, in-depth training, everything you need to be able to get up and running with the recurring monthly system as quickly as possible. We're asking for only a small payment to get you started, far less than this will cost you in just a few days. Getting in now will pay huge dividends and will open up a whole new world of recurring revenue for you, one that will last forever. And if you're the type of person that I think you are, you'll immediately see the value in this, and nothing will stop you from picking this up. Click the button below this video now. If you come back tomorrow, it will cost you more. Go ahead, jump in by clicking the button below so we can announce, welcome friend to the world of recurring income. Just scroll down, click that button, and we will see you on the inside.